names.
Hi, I'm Kay.
I'm Kareen.
I'm Jay. I'm Marco.
And where are you guys from?
We're from Nutrilite.
From Nutrilite. And what is Nutrilite?
Nutrilite is a vitamin company. It helps your body stay
Promotes health.
Promotes health. Yeah.
Right.
wellness.
From the ground up, we
Yeah.
manufacture, we grow, manufacture, distribute, and sell supplements for 30 countries, 70% of the world.
Yeah. And what are you guys doing here today?
We are donating our time here.
Exactly.
Helping out.
We are
To a bigger cause.
changing the lives of children one by one.
Yes, you are. You're in the We've Got Your Back program, and you're helping to get food to the homeless kids right here in Orange County.
Thanks to Janice, Elizabeth, and Michelle Cox from Nutrilite, who is the one who is encouraging.
Yay, Michelle!
She's encouraging production has gone up to upper management so that the team from Nutrilite can come and be part of this wonderful organization that we love, and we're close by. We're all on Buena Park.
We're down the street.
We're down the street. We want to be part of what's going on here and helping one by one children who are homeless, living in motels, who are in our school districts here, and providing food, providing people through production, Michelle, and going up to upper management to be able to schedule different employees to be able to volunteer.
Wonderful. And did you guys bring some food with you?
We did.
That's awesome. We love it not only when you come with your time, but you come actually with things that we can give to the kids. That's
We have
wonderful.
somebody who's worked in food bar department quite a few years. And
23 years.
Just 23
Wow.
years.
And
So
you guys just had a big anniversary, right?
75 years.
75 years. That's amazing. Well, Giving Children Hope thanks you guys for coming and working today.
thanks, Janice. We love you.